The Magical Treehouse. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, there stood a mysterious treehouse. This treehouse was unlike any other, for it had the power to grant wishes to those who dared to climb its ladder. One sunny afternoon, 3 adventurous friends named Lily, Sam, and Maya stumbled upon the treehouse while exploring the woods. Intrigued by its enchanting presence, they decided to investigate further. As they climbed the ladder, their hearts raced with excitement and anticipation. When they reached the top, they found themselves in a cozy room filled with sparkling crystals and shimmering lights. Suddenly, a voice echoed through the room, inviting them to make a wish. Lily wished for the ability to fly like a bird. Sam wished for endless candy, and Maya wished for the power to talk to animals. Instantly, their wishes were granted. Lily sprouted wings and soared into the sky. Sam found himself surrounded by mountains of candy, and Maya chatted happily with the animals of the forest. But as the day drew to a close, they realized that their wishes came with consequences. Lily grew tired from flying, Sam felt sick from eating too much candy, and Maya discovered the challenges of understanding animal language. In the end, they realized that true happiness comes not from magical wishes, but from friendship, adventure, and the simple joys of life. With newfound wisdom, they bid farewell to the magical treehouse and returned home, cherishing the memories of their extraordinary adventure. And so, the treehouse stood silent once again, patiently awaiting the next brave souls who would dare to seek its magic.